Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because my husband Alan and I are hosting a game night tonight. We're going to have friends over to play games, and I'm going to be making a homemade lasagna and a couple of really delicious desserts, including some extra special cute little game night cookies. I can't wait to show you just how cute they are. So before we get started, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let me show you how I made these wonderful little domino cookies. In this bowl, I have 2 sticks of room temperature butter. I'm going to add in some salt and some sugar. I'm going to put the mixer on low. We want to keep it on low and mix it just until it's mixed. We only want to mix this on low because we don't want to whip any air into our dough. I had this egg ready in the refrigerator. And I even put my extract in the refrigerator to keep it nice and cold. This is one of the things that helps the dough from spreading, keeping the ingredients nice and cold. Of course, you don't want to keep the butter cold because it won't mix up. So you have to just keep the eggs and the extract cold. Once again, we'll turn our mixer on low and mix it just until the egg and the extract are incorporated. While mixing on low, I'm going to start adding our flour. We'll put the mixer back on low, and when the dough starts cleaning the sides of the bowl, we know it's done. Another way to tell if the dough is done is just take your finger and press into the dough. If it imprints and doesn't stick to your finger, that's another way to tell that it's ready to use. Now that we have our dough rolled out, I have all of these cute little M&Ms divided up into all sorts of different colors. What we're going to do is take our little cookie cutter. I just got this little rectangle cookie cutter at Walmart, and we're going to use the straight edge instead of the decorative edge. I'll dip it into my powdered sugar so that the dough doesn't stick, and then I'm just going to start cutting out some rectangles. These are the rectangles that will be our dominoes for game night. These are going to be such super cute domino cookies. Now I'll just take my big spatula, dip it in the powdered sugar, and I'll start pulling away the extra cookie dough and lifting up my little dominoes. You can see what a nice, clean, crisp edge these cookies have. While our oven is preheating to 325, we're just going to take the same spatula we used to lift up these cookies and put it right in the middle and rock it back and forth to get a nice indentation so that this will look like a real domino. Okay, there we have it. Now I'm going to start taking some of these little M&M candies. You can also use little baking candies, and I'm going to press these right down into the cookie dough. And we're just going to make these look like the actual domino game pieces. I'm giving them a nice firm push so that they stick down really well. When you're playing dominoes, you want to get the lowest numbers. However, when you have these cookies, I'm guaranteed everybody will want the larger numbers. And into the oven for 10 to 14 minutes. Is everybody ready for game night cookies?
Oh, these are awesome, Jennifer.
Oh, thank you. Our friends just went home from game night. We all had such a wonderful time. We laughed and laughed, and the games were so much fun. But the lasagna was delicious. It was so really cool using those awesome noodles that I've never tried before. They turned out really good, and they actually got soft, which is what I was worried about. They're really a great thing. And the little cake was so delicious. And of course, later on when we played games, and we had the wonderful little Domino's cookies, they were not only cute, but so delicious. So be sure to check out that recipe. I'll have it listed below if you'd like to make that recipe for yourself. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.